Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to erase data from an old iPhone. First, before you do anything else, make sure all your precious photos, contacts, and documents are safely backed up. You can do this easily using iCloud or by connecting your device to a computer. Next, it's crucial to sign out of your Apple ID and disable the Find My iPhone feature. This step is essential for a smooth and secure data erasure, preventing any activation locks for the next owner. Taking these initial steps will save you a lot of hassle later on. Now, let's get to the core of the process, performing a factory reset. Open your iPhone Settings app, then tap on General. Scroll down until you see Transfer or Reset iPhone and select it. From there, choose Erase All Content and Settings. Your iPhone will ask for your passcode and then your Apple ID password to confirm. This action will completely wipe all data, apps, and settings, returning your device to its original factory state, just like when it was brand new. Erasing your iPhone's data is incredibly important for several reasons. Primarily, it safeguards your personal privacy, ensuring no one can access your sensitive information. This also prepares your device for a secure resale, trade-in, or responsible recycling, giving you peace of mind. After the erase process is complete, power on the iPhone. If you see the hello screen, just like when you first unboxed it, you'll know the data erasure was successful, and your device is ready for its next chapter. For those seeking the absolute highest level of data security, an advanced option is performing a device firmware update, or DFU, restore using a computer. While a standard erase is sufficient for most, a DFU restore rewrites the device's firmware, offering an even deeper clean. Remember, even after an erase, highly sophisticated data recovery tools might still retrieve tiny fragments. For ultimate peace of mind, especially with highly sensitive data, some individuals opt for professional data wiping services or even physical destruction of the storage components.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.